Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. For today's video, me and my mother are going to Zamboanga del Norte to see my two beloved Lola Pepang and Lola Nas. It's been 8 years since I saw my two Lolas. So we planned this trip like 3 weeks ago, and then we booked the ticket from Cebu to Zamboanga del Norte. And it's very expensive guys, you know. So ayun guys, samahan nyo kami ni Mama pumunta ng Zamboanga del Norte and to surprise my two Lolas. This is my first time going to Mindanao, so hope na maganda doon. And I think maganda doon kasi nga probinsya, di ba? So excited na kami guys. So medyo mahaba talaga ang biyahe namin guys, going to Cebu to Dipolog, and then Dipolog going to Labason. Labason is the area or the place where Lola lives, and excited na kami. See you there! So ayun guys, we're here at Dipolog Airport. First impression, maliit ang airport nila guys. Sobrang liit. Parang alam mo yung medyo maliit pa siya sa airport sa Boracay. And then as you can see guys, makulimlim ang panahon for today's video. And we're here in the terminal going to Labason. Kumain kami dito guys. And then here we're see my Lola Nasing with my mama. And we're going to Lola Pepang house to surprise her. Guys, as you can see guys, they're so beautiful, so elegant, so looking like a wow. No guys, here in Labason, very fresh air, very maliwalas, malinis, at marami lang rice fields. And then sumakay kami dito sa motor para sa mabato-batong daanan papunta sa bahay na Lola Pepang. And then after that, here we go, we see my Lola Pepang. And then ito yan guys. And then we try this marang. Marang is very famous here in Labason or in Mindanao. Guys, ang sarap nito guys. Dati ayaw ko kasi very slimy, pero guys, ang sarap. You should try this when you visit in the Philippines. Especially in Mindanao guys, kasi marami sang puno dito. Parang bayabas lang. And then try now, we are going to taste the marang. What a face. Yes guys, na-addict ako dito sa marang. Ang sarap-sarap. And then guys, we buy this fresh pick rambutan for only 40 pesos. Oh my god. And then guys, ang sarap, super fresh, ang tamis. As you can see guys, binabalatan ko na. Ito yung sa loob sa rambutan. And may friendly dog din sila. Nakalimutan ko yung pangalan. And ito yung mga pamangkin namin. Super cute. And my lola, my family. And then after guys, we're going home now because you know we only have 2 days here in Labason. So meet lang namin si Lola. Pero nakatira kami ngayon. I mean, nagstay kami kay Lola Nasing's house. As you can see guys, maraming bato-bato talaga ang daanan papunta kay Lola Pepang. But we made it through. Maganda talaga yung sasakyan namin. And ang dami nilang prutas guys na Lola. Binigyan kami ng siko karabaw, rambutan, tsaka ano yung pinakamasarap marang. Naku, Diyos ko Lord, ang sarap. At dumating na nga kami sa bahay ng Lola Nasing. Gumawa ako ng lamao, which is the coconut juice with coconut meat and milk. Ang masarap talaga ito. Favorite na favorite ko. So later guys, flight na namin pabalik sa Cebu. So we decided to go to the seaside para mag-anuway ni Mama at makasagap ng signal kasi walang signal sa bahay ng Lola. Super maliwalas guys. Medyo maraming basura, pero hindi siya basura na basura. Basura sa mga lagat lang at saka yung mga dahon-dahon. I really love this guys. So, nagmo-moment tayo dito for today's video. And then flight na namin guys pabalik sa Cebu. And parang kulang talaga yung 2 days namin sa Zamboanga ng Lola kasi nga hindi namin natikman yung ibang prutas, hindi nakapagluto ng iba, tapos hindi pa namin napasyalan ng mga magagandang beaches sa Zamboanga, sa labasan. So finally, we're here in Cebu after 1 hour flight from Zamboanga. So nauuhaw kami ni Mama, nag-order kami ng Macau milk tea. Si Mama nag-order ng classic milk tea and sa akin is mango flavored. Later that night guys, my college friends want to meet me before going back to Kuwait and we decided to meet in Tusloboa. This is Laveline and Kim. First time nila at first time namin dito matikman ang Tusloboa. Parang masarap yata dito guys eh. Tusloboa. Pilipiyo pa pa. After our dinner in Tusloboa, we decided to stay in milk tea shop nearby in Tusloboa as well and do some chicas. So that's it guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you like it, bye!